In this video, I'll guide you through how to remove Microsoft Bookings from your email signature. If you've noticed that Outlook is automatically adding a bookings link at the bottom of your emails and you'd rather keep your signature clean and simple, you're in the right place. We'll go through the exact setting you need to change step by step so that link stops appearing in new messages and replies. First, make sure you're using Outlook on the web or the new Outlook for Windows. The setting we need is located in the modern Outlook interface, so if your screen looks very different or more like the classic desktop app, you may want to switch to the new version or open Outlook in your browser before you continue. Once you're in the right version of Outlook, look toward the top right corner of the window. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the settings button. Go ahead and click that. This opens a panel where you can control all kinds of Outlook preferences, from layouts to themes, and most importantly for us, your mail settings. In the settings panel, you may see a few quick options at first, but we need the full mail settings. Look for an option or link that says something like Mail or View All Outlook Settings. Once you're in the Mail section, find and select Compose and Reply. This is where Outlook stores everything related to how your messages are created, including your default fonts, formatting, and signatures. When the Compose and Reply page opens, scroll down until you reach the email signature section. This area lists any signatures you've set up, and you might see one or more signatures if you use different ones for new messages and replies. Even if you don't see the bookings link inside the signature text itself, the automatic bookings option can still attach a separate line with a link to your bookings page. Below the signature editor, look carefully for a checkbox labeled Include a link to my bookings page in my signature. By default, this may be turned on, which is why that link keeps appearing in your emails. To stop Outlook from adding it, simply uncheck this box. Once it's unchecked, Outlook will no longer add the Microsoft Bookings link to your signatures. After you make this change, don't forget to save it. Look for the Save button, usually at the bottom or top of the settings window, and click it. This step is important. If you close the settings without saving, your change won't take effect and the link will keep showing up. To confirm everything worked, you can open a new message in Outlook and look at the signature that appears. The Microsoft Bookings link should now be gone. If you use multiple signatures, you can switch between them in the new message window and check that none of them are adding the bookings link anymore. That's all you need to do. By adjusting this single setting, you've removed the Microsoft Bookings link from your email signature, giving you more control over how your messages look and what information they include.